Understanding leg press, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic in store for you. We're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, leg press. Whether you are a fitness enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video is tailored just for you. First things first, let's break down the phrase. Leg press is a compound noun consisting of two words, leg, referring to the lower limb of the body, and press, which is a verb that means to push something firmly. When combined, these two words create a phrase that is commonly used in the fitness world. The leg press is a popular strength training exercise that primarily targets the muscles in your legs, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. It is performed on a specific machine at the gym, where you push a weight away from your body using your legs. This exercise is highly regarded for its ability to build leg strength and muscle mass, as well as improve overall lower body functionality. To help solidify your understanding, let's see how leg press can be used in a sentence. After warming up, I started my workout with the leg press to target my thigh muscles. The trainer suggested adding the leg press to my routine to enhance my leg strength. In these sentences, leg press is used to refer to both the exercise itself and the action of performing the exercise. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on the meaning of the phrase, leg press. We hope this video has clarified any confusion and enriched your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using the new phrase in sentences. And of course, if you decide to try out the leg press exercise, do so safely and preferably under guidance if you're a beginner. Until next time, keep learning and stay strong.